Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, often referred to as the Iron Man of India, was a prominent figure in India's struggle for independence and one of the founding fathers of the Republic of India. Born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat, Vallabhbhai Jhaverbhai Patel belonged to a modest family of farmers. Growing up in the village of Karamsad, Patel displayed leadership qualities from a young age. After completing his primary education, he pursued a degree in law at the Middle Temple in London. Upon returning to India in 1913, Patel began practicing law in Ahmedabad, quickly gaining a reputation for his competence and integrity. However, it was his involvement in India's freedom movement that truly defined Patel's legacy. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's principles of non-violent resistance, he joined the Indian National Congress (INC) in 1917. Patel emerged as a key organizer during various protests and civil disobedience movements against British rule. One of his most notable contributions came during the Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928, where he led the farmers of Bardoli in Gujarat against unfair taxation policies imposed by the British. Patel's adept negotiation skills and unwavering commitment to the cause earned him the title of Sardar, meaning leader or chief. As the INC's popularity and influence grew, Patel became increasingly involved in the organization's activities. He played a pivotal role in the Salt Satyagraha of 1930 and the Quit India movement of 1942, both of which aimed at achieving India's independence from British colonial rule. After India gained independence on 15 August 1947, the country faced the daunting task of integration and consolidation. With hundreds of princely states spread across the subcontinent, unity was imperative to prevent fragmentation. As the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India, Patel was tasked with the monumental challenge of integrating these diverse territories into a cohesive nation. Using a combination of diplomacy, persuasion, and, when necessary, coercion, Patel successfully persuaded the princely states to accede to the Indian Union. His efforts culminated in the integration of over 500 princely states, including the highly contentious cases of Hyderabad, Junagadh, and Jammu and Kashmir. Despite facing numerous obstacles and resistance from some princely rulers, Patel's determination and statesmanship prevailed. His vision of a united India, free from internal divisions, laid the foundation for the country's stability and progress. Tragically, Sardar Patel's life was cut short when he passed away on 15 December 1950 at the age of 75. However, his legacy continues to inspire generations of Indians, earning him the title of the Architect of Modern India. In recognition of his contributions, India commemorates his birth anniversary on 31st October as National Unity Day. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's indomitable spirit, unwavering commitment to unity, and dedication to the cause of freedom make him a towering figure in India's history, revered by people across the nation and beyond.